how to make a real estate website in Godaddy website builder. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, we are going to show you how you can make a real estate website into the Godaddy website builder. So the process is going to be very easy, and the objective of this video is going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how we can create a specific real estate website for your clients or for yourself if you're going to be an agency or an individual that you're going to work with an agency or for an agency that is going to be selling doing real estate business, of course. So the process is going to be very easy and very simple. You're going to head over godaddy.com, sign in for an account, and then you're going to see this platform. Then you are going to visit your products by clicking on the name of your account. Click on my products like that, and then you're going to see the websites that you have created. Of course, if you haven't created a website, you're going to create another one. And or if you have already a website, you're going to create another website for free. So you're going to click on set up a free website, and then we're going to set up the things from here. Now, what are we going to do? As you can see, we have three types of the needings or the features that we are going to add to our website. We have sell with an online store, book appointments online, and also something else. So basically, on the real estate world or agency, you're not going to sell with an online store because you're not going to be an online seller, but you're going to be an on office seller. So we are going to head over the booking appointments. Why? You're going to basically put some a calendar, and also that calendar is going to have availabilities and also working hours and working dates. So you're going to put the appointments online, and then you're going to have it right away. So we are going to put on book appointments online and also something else. For something else, we are going to put the photos, the galleries of the real estates or the houses that we are going to buy, or we are going to not buy, but basically we are going to sell. And then we are going to click on continue. Now, what are we going to do is to set up the category of that website, or what kind of website do you want? So basically, you're going to see some suggested categories. We're not going to be interested in these suggested categories, or if you are going to be interested, you should see your interest in here. But in our case, we're going to put, for example, real estate, and we're going to see the type of the website that we have. We have real estate, law appraiser, consultant, or agent. So, for example, we're going to type in only the generalized real estate. Click on continue, and you're going to put the name of that store. So, we are going to type in Jack's, for example, Jack Real Estate Agency, for example, agency like that, and then we are going to click on continue. Once you have did that, you're going basically to have an address, for example, in here. I'm going to block the address and put this, for example, like that. Maybe this is going to be an address, so we're going to have here a mobile phone also added, just like this. And then you're going to have an email address just added right there. When you finish setting up these, as you can see, addresses and etc., you're going to click on continue as I have told you, and you're going to go and see the GoDaddy arrow. Basically, this is the AI tool or the AI assistant that will help you to generate the descriptions, also the type or the text that you're going to see into your cases. For example, if you are going to have a description or a paragraph about an illustration or something that is related to your business, it is going to be generated with the AI. You can skip this step, but I highly recommend for you to make a try and give it a little bit of, let's say here, a trial. So right there, I'm going to put some of the prompt or a little prompt in here. So we are an a real or a real, for example, real, let's say here, estate agency that specialize lies in luxurious, for example, luxurious apartment, apartment, and let's say here apartments, not only apartment but and also pent houses, for example. We're going to click on here continue. We are going to see the architecture of that website, and you're going to see the opening of the website builder, which is going to be the GoDaddy website builder. Now, as you can see, we have things set up in here. We have an image generated from the, of course, library of the GoDaddy. Now, what are we going to do is to be able to see the plan that we are going to pick. Either we are going to go with the free plan, which is going to be limited with the time also, or you can go ahead and use a build yearly or a build monthly plan. So these plans are going to be something crucial for setting up the correct website. Why? Because we're going to need it to set up a professional domain or a, let's say, an aesthetic domain. Instead of having this specific domain, which is going to be a subdomain on GoDaddy, you're going to put yours or your, let's say, custom domain. Now, aside from the domain, you're going to see the sections that you're going to add into your website. For example, we have the About section, the Gallery section, online appointments, contact us, social media, and subscribe. So, and you can go ahead and have an introduction or a menu slash a price list, for example, and also some reviews. You can add some reviews in here, and then you're going to be good to go. When you finish setting up all the sections that you need to add into your website, click on continue to my site. Once you have did that, you're going to see all of the specific, as you can see, buttons or the sections. Now, aside from that, you can go ahead and see that we have this standard or random theme that has been put. You can go ahead and modify the colors of it, or you can go ahead and modify the layout for the header. As you can see in here, you can go ahead and put whatever you want. Aside from that, you can go ahead and click on themes, and then you can try a new look if in case that you do not like that the theme that is not going to be let's say something that you hope for. For example, I'm going to choose this one. Maybe for this specific, as you can see, circle, I'm going to be interested. So basically, as you can see, find your home. This is something that we are going to be interested in the real estate, which is finding homes for people. As you can see here, we have the mission. So, or missions, we have here some, as you can see, of the portfolios or the properties, and we have some, as you can see, some of the best chosen or well cared, and also chosen, as you can see, things or apartments that or cities that has been chosen for the specific spectacle. Now, as you can see, we have the online appointments. You need to set up the service of the appointments. This is something that you're going to need to do because you're going to have the button, for example, the booking button, the online, the layout. As you can see, you can also modify the layout to something like this or to something like that. And then you're going to set up the availability. So you can go ahead and update your availability from here and set up all type of the specific appointments. So you can set up the availability for the appointments from the days, the time, and also the closing time. Also, you can add some expectation or some pause between the times and etc. So I'm going to remove the Saturday and the Sunday, and we're going to work from 9 to 5 o'clock. So you can go ahead and put the scheduling for maybe a 30-minute or maybe 1 hour because 30 minutes, I think that maybe it is going to be, let's say, a few time to give to people to make their choice. So we are going to extend it to 1 hour, and then we are going to set up the availability. Aside from that, you're going to see the booking information, also the business. So we can also have some booking channels and also the payments. Do not forget to set up the payment methods. So if you're going to have here a booking and the payment is going to be having something like the booking information, do not forget to set up the payments. If you're going to put a free booking, you can go ahead and put them aside. So this is a premium feature. So you're going to accept the payment online, which is going to be a premium feature. So you are going to insert GoDaddy payments, Square, and PayPal. So aside from that, you're going to add, for example, the services. You can go ahead and click on Add Service. The duration of the service or the booking, as you can see on the appointment, service name, the minutes and the hours, the payment type or the price type is going to be, for example, an amount, and we're going to put a reservation for $120, for example. And the payment is going to be full payment as it is going to be online. Put a description and also the specific location that you're going to put. Obviously, you're going to choose a business location and not the online virtual. So aside from that, you can go ahead and set up the social media reviews from here. Have a background image. Also, you can connect the specific one of the reviews that you're going to have. For the contact us, you're going to have here the number, the as you can see, the real address, and also the availability hours, which is going to be set up within the availability that you have set. So as you can see, the website is going to be completely complete. I mean by that. So you can go ahead and click on the website and start adding some pages by clicking on the site navigation. Add a new page, but unfortunately, it is going to be a premium plan. So you need to upgrade to add a page. You can add an external link to a website. You can put a link to a section on a page or a drop down menu. For the theme, you can modify the color, the fonts, and the buttons. For the settings, you can go ahead and publish your website. This is the first thing that you need to do. You can connect the domain, but obviously you need a specific or a premium plan to do that. And also, you can go ahead and set up your specific website into the analytics and also tracking, like the Google Analytics, Metapixels. If you're going to launch some here campaign or ad campaigns for your website to be well known. Also, you can go ahead and add the Google AdSense feature in it. Basically, do not forget to manage or make some updates to your website, and then you're going to add the properties by adding some sections. So these sections are going to be set up, for example, like here general, not going to be general, but you're going to add some image galleries, and also you are going to have here, for example, like that. And you can go ahead and add some description or type of description into that specific area. For example, you can go ahead and add this specific, as you can see, section. So you can go ahead and put some captions in here, and then you are going to add a caption that is going to be describing that image or that specific real estate or that building. That was the type of the section that we can add, or one of the suggestions that you can add. You can also add, for example, a video presentation or a live stream about an apartment or a villa or a penthouse from YouTube, as you can see. And also, you can put some scheduling like a calendar. So you can add here some events if you're going to put here open doors for a specific event that you're going to put a promotion going on, and etc. So for the files and the webs, if you're going to integrate a PDF viewer for a technical, let's say, document about a house, you can do that by having here a PDF viewer and adding it right away. So it is going to be something that is going to be very specific into the term of technical, let's say, technical view. So when you finish setting up everything, you can go ahead and modify your website. And if you do not like what you see, you can click on hire an expert, and that is going to hire someone that will help you set up, for example, a specific website, which is going to make the specific website of yours, which is going to be this, into a more professional, more adequate, and more specific, or let's say flexible website for that domain. Basically, that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and you hope to see you on the next one.